Hello students. This video is very interesting because today you will learn why do male ants die after mating? A swarm of male ants waits for the queen to come out of the nest for mating, and it can transfer all of their sperm at once. Ants prefer to mate during spring and summer, when the weather is favorable for their nuptial flight. Many people do not know that the small ants they see everywhere are the females. Moreover, worker ants are females who play a role in collecting food, feeding their queen, and preparing it for mating and reproduction. So why do male ants die after mating? Male ants die after mating because they cannot tolerate the stress and feel exhausted. In addition, their reproductive organs can break apart into the queen's genital chamber. They cannot remate because they can produce a limited number of sperms, and the process of spermatogenesis halts when they enter a late pupa stage. Moreover, they get lesser attention from the colony after mating, because they are of no use to them. Furthermore, the death of males does not matter for a colony, because females can produce them quickly. The queen avoids repetitive mating and stores sperms for fertilization in the future.